Welcome to Autoworld of Conway. Today we'll be previewing this beautiful 1969 Volkswagen Karmannghia coupe. So we see quite a few of these, but generally in substandard condition. But this one is far from that. Absolutely stunning. I was just looking at the receipts folder. The restoration completed late 2019. And boy, she still presents fresh. The 4-speed manual. These cars are somewhat rudimentary. I guess if you're Volkswagen, you know that they are. But boy, everything just top notch on this car. Will pop the hood and the trunk. How nice that door closes. This paint, base coat, clear coat. You can tell by the rubbers and the chrome, everything was done off of the car. At least it appears to me. Got disc brakes, independent rear suspension. All the chrome appears to be new or replaced. Bumper guards. Brand new wheels from Coker Tire. Look how straight this body is. See the wood grain dash. It's an aftermarket digital AM/FM. I believe it's even Bluetooth capable. Most of those custom audio sounds kits are. Nice carpet kit. I think the receipt I remember seeing was $2,000. This interior. Beautiful paint. So the engine, obviously engine out, rebuilt. Don't pump the gas, don't pump. Flooded it there, once it formed, there's no need to pump the gas. Pause for just a minute before our test drive. The sun's going down a little bit, you can see again the luster of this paint. Just wanted one more shot around it before we drive it. Volkswagen that drives and handles like this car. One of our customers' air passes. So up here we'll make a right. Turn signal function. The shifter feels nice too. Easy on the brakes. Again, those disc brakes, it stops beautifully. Second, we'll go all the way to first gear. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head back to the office. I've got the provenance folder laid out so we can go through some of those receipts. Give you just a little bit more confidence about placing this 1969 Volkswagen Karmannghia in your garage. Let's go check it out. Just got back to the lot after the test drive and realized I didn't go under the hood. We call this the bonnet. So again, shows the high level of restoration quality. See extra floor mats here in the front. We lift them up there. And you can see just how, again, everything's been done. See the back of the radio there? Down. That's exactly what they look like back there. Nice full-size spare. We'll see if we can get, so you can see this is a place where they normally rust. Antenna, jack, different things. So there you have it. Okay, here we are with the provenance folder that accompanies this Karmannghia, and you can see extensive receipts. $2,800. It's for engine bay, engine in and out. $4,600, $5,400, $3,100. That's interior and refurbishing over here. $1,700, another $1,000 there, and then a comprehensive packet here of all the parts. This was $1,700 in parts for different switches, grommets, and whatnot for this bug magneto. Again. That's a good back up. So as you own this car, you can see exactly what parts have been refurbished and redone, which appears to be everything that I can see. I think this will make a great little car for somebody. And all this done just in 2019.